Hey guys, it's Maymay. And if you see my face and you don't see my hands in a stamp set, you know I'm here to tell you something. Unfortunately, this month's Scripture Club set is going to be late, and it's going to be significantly late. It's going to be late until the first of the month. And we are sorry. There is nothing we can do. There are times when our hands are tied, and this is one of those situations where we have tried everything we can, and this is the best we're going to be able to do this time. Now, we are learning from this, and going forward, we are going to make some changes so that this doesn't happen in the future. I will tell you that there is a very good possibility that the original club for September will be a day or so late, but nothing like you guys are going to experience with the Scripture Club, and we are so sorry. Now, to apologize to you and tell you that we're sorry, there's going to be a little gift in your envelope. So when you get that, look for your gift. It'll explain how to redeem and how to do all the things you need to do to get your gift. And we appreciate so much your patience. So I feel like going forward, this won't be a problem because, like I said, we're going to make some changes. But for this month, we have this issue. So here's what's going to be happening. Here's what you can expect. The minute that stamp set hits our facility, our store, we will stop what we are doing. We will film the reveal for you. We will put it in envelopes and get it out the door. And then almost immediately after that, it will be original club time as well. So next month you'll just get two stamps really close together. Can we find the bright side? I'm trying, y'all. I would have done like a printed out reveal for you guys, but this stamp set is just not one that's going to be able to do that. As a matter of fact, it's so interesting because when we were designing this stamp set, it does a kind of cool thing that printing it out won't show you. And so the minute it comes in, I will get the samples done and get it shown to you guys and get it in the mail. There's a chance it could go in the mail to you before you actually see it, but I'm going to do it as quick as I can once it arrives. So I love you so much, and we appreciate you so much, and we hope that our little apology gift, although it won't seem like much, I know, but it's what we can do, and we appreciate your patience with this as we deal with this. You guys are our backbone, and we love you, and we appreciate all that you do for us, and being a part of our club, it means the world to us, and we will, going forward, do everything we can to keep this from happening in the future. And I just appreciate you guys for sticking around and understanding, and we love you. So as soon as we possibly can bring it to you, we will. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time. Bye now.